YouTube just turned every creator into a TV network, and most people have no idea what's about to happen. Here's the deal. Right now, when you land a brand deal, you get paid once. The ad gets baked into your video forever, and that's it. But YouTube is rolling out something called dynamic ad insertion in 2026, and this could change everything. Imagine this, your entire back catalog, every video you've ever made, becomes a recurring revenue machine. You can now swap out sponsors inside the video, like a TV network sells commercial slots. That video from 2 years ago that's still getting views, you can sell ad space in it next month, then replace it with a different sponsor 3 months later. Brands love this because it finally gives them what they've been begging for, measurable results. They pay for impressions, cap their spending, and only pay for what actually delivers. No more throwing money at sponsorships and hoping it works. Here's the crazy part. TV advertising is a $60 billion industry that's shrinking, but YouTube's at $36 billion and growing at 13% this year. We're watching a massive wealth transfer from traditional networks to individual creators. So if you're building a personal brand right now, stop thinking about just making videos and start thinking about building a media network. Audit your content, find your evergreen pieces, and structure new videos with clear integration points. The creators who understand this aren't just making content anymore, they're building actual media empires, one video at a time. And the window to position yourself is right now before everyone catches up.